beautiful
supercell we're on now. It has a history of tornadoes for the last several hours. Heading forward, folks.
That mezzo's really nice. Well, we're gonna come right up on
Chopper 4, dude. Chopper 4 was on. Has been on this.
Yeah, just focus and drive.
Oh my God, it's so low.
Got a big tornado on the ground, guys. If that is all on the ground, I gotta come up over this hill. Here, roll. Oh, never mind.
Hold on, guys.
Good stuff.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
They're coming back around.
You're going west
way.
right now.
You need to go back
The
down
north was there.
Okay. Shit.
Oh wait,
Here, go up here real quick and let's get a good shot of it. Oh my goodness.
It's all you, baby.
Oh, wow. Oh. Hey, Jared, close your flash. You don't need that thing open. Oh, yes!
My God, I'm so glad we got out here. That is sexy.
Hey, guys, I think we should get back in. We should try and go north.
We should.
That road right there, everyone's taking it. Let's go.
We need to go north.
Come on, go. Look out, look out.
See.
That rotation.
Go!
Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Good stuff.
All right.
Look at all those mezzo.
Good
Oh my
go.
goodness.
Oh my God, multiple vortices.
Multiple
oh my
vortices.
God, it's
Hey, were you zoomed in on that, Taryn? Oh my gosh, look at that, guys.
Oh my God.
Should we stop? Oh,
Let us switch off. Whoever it's close to.
It's off.
we're 17 miles south of
No,
Big.
no, you're good, you're good. If you want to zoom or anything, just do that. There you go. You have to let it settle on the way.
Oh my goodness. Large tornado. Multiple vortices.
It doesn't have a big rain cloud right now to it, but there's debris.
Oh, that look at the. Oh my goodness. It's a big tornado.
There you go, Taryn. This is my second one.
I asked for one. I got it.
Hang on, let's get closer so we
Good
get a little
boyfriend,
bit.
baby. What you wanted?
I know. We've been trying to get one. Not a real good one like this though. This is up close.
This thing's still to the west of the road, guys.
Okay.
Okay, here, let's get off.
Okay, guys, look at all this debris.
Yeah, we can't really see it well defined anymore.
No,
Yeah,
that's
it's
right
back
there.
in there. It's
I
in
can
there.
clearly
It's a,
That
it's
is
a,
massive.
It's big. It's a big tornado.
Oh my God.
See where we?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Take some pictures.